The garlic rice is just really perfect combination, and you can't stop eating this, guys. You can't really stop it. What is up, guys? Maidah here, the Drunken Chef, and welcome back to another episode and another video of our cooking trips. So it's actually about to go 12 midnight now, and I have nothing to do because I'm off from work, and I decided to cook a dish that I really miss when I eat breakfast. So we call this Tapsilog. So it's actually a soy-based sauce, and it's really delicious. The combination of garlic rice and the salad on the side is really delicious. By the way, guys, if you're a foodie like me and if you love cooking, you are just right on this channel. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos. And of course, feel free to comment down below or give any suggestions. And now, what are we waiting for, guys? Let's start this cooking trips. So first off, guys, I've got this beef schnitzel. I've already sliced them thinly, so it's easier for us to marinate it, and because this dish is usually cut smaller pieces. So first things first, I've got soy sauce. It's a Filipino brand, Dato Puti. Is it? Dato Puti soy sauce. And I've got fish sauce. I've got salt and pepper and garlic for the marination. So I don't actually have the recipe here, but I'm gonna post the recipe down below the description if you're interested to make this dish. So we're gonna add some soy sauce, fish sauce, and just a little bit of salt. And then I'm adding some peppers. I like this dish to have a lot of peppers, so let's be very generous about the peppers. And then we're gonna add some garlic. And then from there, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. I'm actually adding more peppers because I really love peppers on my tapsilog. And of course, we're gonna add some brown sugar. And of course, we have to mix our beef. And let's give a little bit of massage to our beef like that. So doing this marination, you can do it ahead of time, so it needs to rest because the beef must, absorb all the marination flavor. So for this, at least 2 hours, okay? And it's better to marinate this overnight. It gives more flavor and really umami flavor on it. Now, while waiting for our beef to marinate, we're gonna jump into making our salad and prepare our rice garlic for this dish. Alright, so our vegetables are done. We're just gonna add some of this mixed salad. So let's just add them. So we're gonna add this chilies and spring onions, just half of it, because I'm gonna use it as a garnish on top later. You'll see how and why. Just half. More chilies. I love spicy, so if you don't like spicy, just don't add more chilies or whatever. So our salad is already mixed. We're gonna add the salad dressing later on, because if we add the salad dressing right now, it's just gonna turn soggy, and otherwise it's not really a good salad. And now we're just gonna dive into cooking our beef. Okay, so look at them, guys. They're actually invading my vlog. Look at that. They're cooking midnight snack.
It's dinner.
It's dinner. But at 12 midnight, it's dinner. So they're here just to annoy me while I'm doing my cooking trips. They have their own cooking trips, by the way, guys. Look at them. Oh, adding some cream. Yes. So I'll be back. So as you can see, guys, there's water coming out from the beef. That's because the marination and some of the liquid from the beef itself. So what we're going to do, we have to at least wait until the water evaporate for a bit, and just keep stirring. And this takes about 15 to 25 minutes. Just keep stirring in a medium heat. So as you can see, guys, the water is gone. So right now, it's just the oil, no water. So just keep stirring, and from there we have to try it. The flavor's there already. It's really nice. But this one needs a little bit more salt. So let's add a pinch of salt and some peppers. Look at that, it's really good. And from there, we're just gonna add a little bit of water. So you add water at the end, just to have a little bit sauce on it. And keep cooking it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So one of the toppings of this dish is egg. That's why it's called Tapsilog. Tapa means beef, and log means, for short for itlog, means egg. So we're just gonna cook some eggs on the side right here. So my beef is ready, and I've cooked my egg. Now we are going to make the salad dressing. First, we need the fish sauce. Half tablespoon. Some peppers, and of course some lime. And we're gonna add some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. It's so good. Well balanced. So now we're gonna set up our plate. Garlic granules. Just gonna put it on top. First, we're gonna have some pinakurat. The smell is really good. It smells like home. So we're just gonna add some vinegar. Then we're gonna try this Tapsilog. So good. Look at that, guys. Rice, the beef, and the salad mixed with the egg. Oh, it's really, really good. This is an amazing dish, guys. I'm telling you. You're gonna enjoy every bite of this dish. It's a very Filipino dish, but oh my gosh, this is really good. It smells like home. It tastes like home. Grabe, guys. I love Filipino food. Masarap talaga ang Filipino food. Grabe. Sarap. So if I were you guys, you have to try this Tapsilog. I'll see you guys in our next cooking trips. Bye-bye.